What is an X509 certificate? In this video, we will try to understand that. X509 is a standard that defines the format for public key certificates. Encrypted connection like TLS or SSH uses public key encryption to authenticate the server and the client. When the communication starts, the server sends its digital certificate to the client. This digital certificate contains the public key of the server. A digital certificate is an electronic document that proves the ownership of a public key. A digital certificate contains various information such as a serial number, the identity of the owner, the validity of the digital certificate, the issuer of the digital certificate, information about the public key, etc. When a trusted certificate authority or CA issues a digital certificate, the digital certificate also contains the issuing CA's digital signature. The client needs to verify the digital certificate with the issuing certificate authority to ensure that the sent public key is indeed the sender's public key. X509 is a standard that defines the format for digital certificates. As per the standard, a digital certificate needs to follow a specific structure. For example, it should contain the version number, serial number, algorithm ID for the algorithm that was used to make the digital signature, issuer name, validity period, etc. And an X509 digital certificate should use one of the following file name extensions. A certificate authority issues a digital certificate and the digital certificate contains the digital signature of the certificate authority. At the start of an encrypted connection like TLS, the server sends its digital certificate to the client. The client verifies the digital certificate with the issuing certificate authority. On successful verification, the client goes ahead and establishes the connection. I hope this helps. For more information, please visit the website of the Security Buddy or refer to the book Cryptography and Public Key Infrastructure. The relevant links are provided in the description. The Security Buddy also provides many cybersecurity courses. The relevant links are provided in the description. You can also subscribe to us and get notifications on recent videos.